Hey, Mr. Doug Patterson, thanks for taking my call today and thanks for taking the time to watch this video. My name is John Kirkpatrick. I'm from To The Top Marketing down here in Burleson, Texas. I'm a small business owner just like yourself, and I wanted to shoot this video because I was wanting to get you some tips and tricks on how you can get your website to rank higher. Now, I know you might be asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? Well, I've just found by shooting these videos and just kind of giving some information and knowledge to small business owners that a lot of times they'll reach back out to me and say, hey, I like you. Can you please help me do this? And I'd be happy to help in any way I can. But if you want to just take this information and run with it and grow your business, then awesome. I'm glad I could have helped. So I want to talk about 3 quick things today, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So this is your homepage here. And content is just basically everything that's on this page that Google can read and crawl. So all of your text here, even down to what your pictures are saved as. So you can go in and right click save as on the image. So it's your name, which isn't bad, but you want to be found, you want to save your pictures as things that you want to be found for. So you want to save your pictures as something like HVAC, HVAC Bedford or HVAC Arlington, HVAC Southlake, whatever kind of city you want to rank in. That's what you want to save those images as. And also, you're going to want some more content. Google really likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage, and that really helps you work in those keywords organically. So you're not just like keyword stuffing, but you're basically just saying, you know, if you're looking for the best HVAC company in Bedford, look no further. Something like that, just where you can work it in organically. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, full disclosure, you are ranking #1 in Bedford in this map pack section, but how you get there is through citations. So I think your SEO guy's probably doing a pretty good job at actually keeping you there in Bedford, but I did not see your website anywhere on the first page, and that's where a lot of people will find you. This is just HVAC Arlington right here is what I searched. So if we look at one of your competitors here, they've got some more content on their homepage that's definitely helping them rank first. Just, you know, different information, different pictures, that's helping them rank on the first page. So you definitely want to add that content. So, and I believe there also is a way to get your GMB to rank in different cities. Just as long as you say, you know, provide service in Arlington, you can actually pop up in here. So let's just take a quick look at some of your backlinks. So this is your website here, justraightAirTX.com. And this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It's about $100 a month, and it really is useful in seeing kind of where you're listed on the web, what sites are pointing back to you. So you can see here you've got a bunch of backlinks, but you only have it coming from 30 different referring domains, and that's really helping your trust score. This 0.1 is kind of like your trust score of where Google ranks you as far as being like a trustworthy site. And that's probably because a lot of these links are Google views as spammy, and they don't like that because it shows you only have 3 do follow links, and that's just sites that will kind of share their power with you along with those links. So you definitely want to get some more trustworthy backlinks, but that is bringing you 47 people a month, and it's helping you get found for 50 organic keywords. Now if we look at one of your competitors, Tom's Mechanical, see if I can get my computer to load here. They have got 1.5 thousand backlinks coming from 103 different referring domains. They've got 53 do follow links. That's giving them a better trust ratio, trust score over here. They're being found for 100 organic keywords, and that's driving 122 people a month to their website. So if you've kind of cornered the market in Bedford, at least with the GMB and being able to show up here first, you want to go out and start targeting other cities that you would want to go to. So if you look down here, a lot of people that rank are just, you know, airco.com or Berkey's. They just have a bunch of service pages that are ranking on the first page, and it helps them be found. So if you want to go out and target different cities, you're going to go out and just create like different service pages for Arlington or for Southlake or forever where you want to rank for. So just a quick overview. You want to add some more content here to your homepage, probably add a service area page or areas we service, and that will help you rank in different cities. Just make a page for kind of each city of where you want to rank. That'll help you get found in those other cities. Citations, bump up your citations, and that'll help you rank in this map pack in different cities, not just Bedford. And third is your backlinks. Looks like you want to come in here and do some more work on your backlinks and getting trustworthy sites to point back to yours. So thanks, Doug, for taking the time to watch this video. Again, my name is John Kirkpatrick. 469-247-1707 is my phone number. Please reach out if you have any questions or if I can help you in any way. Thanks, Doug. You have a great day.